Welcome to another Acadia Point of Sale video guide. In this video, we'll show you how to configure your end-of-day offset and set up your company's operational work hours using the web backend. To begin, open your browser, navigate to the AcadiaPOS Web Backend, and log in with your admin credentials. Once you've reached the main dashboard, click the Settings drop-down menu on the left-hand sidebar, and then click on Company Information. On the next panel, you will find the End-of-Day Offset drop-down menu. This setting dictates the exact time your business day resets, which is essential for tracking late-night sales accurately. Some businesses that may benefit from the end-of-day offset are those like nightclubs or bars, which typically open until 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. They need transactions from the entire night to count toward a single operational date. To keep your reporting data seamless, always set your end-of-day offset to at least 1 hour after your physical doors close. For example, if your business closes at 2 a.m., setting your offset to 3 a.m. prevents late-night transactions or clockouts from splitting into the next day's reports. On this same screen, scroll down below to find and set the official work hours of your company for each day of the week. Review your selections to ensure your work hours and offset timings are correct. Then, look to the top right corner of the page and click Save Changes. Your system is now active and tailored to your business hours. That's how you configure your end-of-day offset and company hours on the AcadiaPOS Web Backend. For more video guides, subscribe to the Acadia Point of Sale YouTube channel.